If you're an experienced builder with a lot of ideas in mind for your next build, then you need an incredibly versatile case. A case that can go above and beyond in terms of looks and functionality. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake Core P8 Full Tower Case. A case designed for ambitious builders just like you. The Core P8 is 660mm high, 260mm wide, and 626mm deep. The case features not one, but three 4mm thick tempered glass windows, providing a stunning view of all your hardware. But if you don't want all that tempered glass, then you don't have to have it. If you're more of an open frame chassis kind of person, the Core P8 has got you covered there too, as the front and top panels are removable. This means whatever style of build you're going for, the Core P8 can accommodate you. The case also supports both 120mm and 140mm fans in pretty much every mounting location, so no matter how many fans you want to run with, this case has got your back. The Core P8 is very versatile and can support even the most ambitious of builds. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 180mm and up to an EATX motherboard. You can also run a graphics card of up to 320mm without a reservoir and 280mm with one. Finally, your PSU, which is mounted vertically, can have a max length of up to 200mm. The vertical mount PSU bracket is also movable, so you can adjust it to suit your specific power supply. The Core P8 has been specifically designed with water cooling in mind, so of course it supports all sorts of configurations. You can install up to a 480mm radiator on the front, up to a 360mm radiator along the top, or even up to a 240mm radiator on the bottom of the case. Additionally, the case has a pump mount that you can move around as you require. Finally, the case also can support a distro plate for those of you who want to take your custom water cooling setup to the next level. Once again, this case has an entirely dismantlable modular design, with removable panels, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. Even the base itself is removable, so there's no look that this case can't do for you. The Core P8 also has rotational PCIe slots, so you can display your graphics card either horizontally or vertically, the case also including a riser cable. With all these awesome special features and space for hardware, you might worry that your storage will be left out, but never fear. The Core P8 can house up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 3 3.5-inch HDDs. These mounting spots can also be shifted around according to your needs. To help keep the dust and dirt away from your precious hardware, the case has 3 magnetic fan filters on the right, top, and bottom of the case. The front I/O ports come with 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports, as well as 1 USB Type-C port, all in an easy-to-access location. There are lots of good quality grommets and space for cable management out the back also, to ensure all those unsightly cables can be tucked away with ease. Finally, it wouldn't be a Core Series case without the option to wall mount, and the Core P8 is no exception. The VESA mount located at the rear of the case ensures that if you want to wall mount your gorgeous new case, you can do it with ease. So if you're a builder with a vision, then the Core P8 is the perfect case to help bring that vision to life. With tons of options to support all sorts of elaborate build ideas, with a particular emphasis on custom water cooling, the Core P8 showcases both your gorgeous hardware and building skills, and looks amazing while doing it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still here, check out either of these 2 Thermaltake videos around me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.